Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sending a picture as its best quality in Telegram. If you want to ensure that the picture you send retains its original quality, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat to enter the conversation. Step 3. Look for the attachment icon, usually represented by a paperclip or camera icon, and give it a tap. This will open the media attachment options. Step 4. Select the picture you want to send and tap on it. Then, tap on the 3 stacked dots that just appeared. This will open additional options for the picture. Step 5. Among the options, you'll find Send as File. Tap on it to send the picture as its best quality. This will ensure that the picture is sent in its original resolution and retains the highest level of detail. By following these simple steps, you can easily send a picture as its best quality in Telegram, allowing the recipient to experience the picture in all its glory. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing your high-quality pictures with your friends and loved ones on Telegram.